There is two types of reset on the Suunto 5 watch. The first method is the soft one. That is to say that if your watch is frozen and no longer responds to any command, you can try this method first to restart it. Just press and hold the two top buttons until the screen turns off, which should be about 12 seconds long. Basically, this manipulation only makes a simple restart and does not erase any information. Unless you were doing an activity, it will be lost. The second possibility is the hard one. This is a factory reset. You can do this either if you have big problem with your watch or just before reselling it to erase all your history and the link between your Suunto account and the watch. So everything in the watch will be erased and the watch will be in the same condition as when you first took it out of the box for the first time. To do this, you must connect the watch with the USB clip to your computer with the Suunto Link application on. If you don't have the Suunto Link app on your computer, I'll leave you a link in the description to download it. Once connected and synchronized, it can take 1 to 5 minutes. Go to the gear at the upper right corner of the application. Then click on Watches and find your Suunto 5 and press Reset All Settings. For safety, you will have to press Reset one more time on the big blue button at the bottom of the screen. And one more time again. Once the process is started, do not unplug the watch and wait for everything to be done. It should take about 5 minutes. And that's it. As soon as you see the language selection on the watch, you're done. You can unplug the watch and resell it. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can find me back easily next time you need help. Now, if you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I read absolutely everything and I'll maybe even make a video just for you. Finally, that video was free, so yes, I accept donation. Thank you very much in advance. Take care, and I hope to see you again, maybe on my main channel. See ya!